5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Good afternoon. John here with Intraverse Uncharted. Just kind of wanting to give you what we know so far this morning regarding Starship and what that will mean for my live broadcast tomorrow morning. So last night they replaced 3 actuators in the grid fins, and they ran a test at, I believe it was like 11:55 p.m. Central Time last night on the grid fins, and that test was successful. They then remounted the hot staging ring and have officially restacked the vehicle as of a couple hours ago. So we are back into the countdown with about 18 hours and 16 minutes until a projected liftoff, or at least the opening of the 7 a.m. Central launch window. Now, I've been telling you guys that I was going to be going live at 5:30 in the morning, Mountain Time. That's 6:30 Central Time. That gives about 30 minutes in the countdown to the opening of the launch window. I'm actually going to back it up a touch further, and I am going to start my live stream at 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, Mountain Time, 6 a.m. Central Time. And then that should give me about an hour in the countdown to give you guys commentaries and walkthroughs on all the checks and stuff happening within the moment. And after that, hopefully, come 7 a.m. Central Time, so the launch window is 7 a.m. to 7:20. So hopefully somewhere in that window, we get a Starship off of the pad. If it does scrub tomorrow, we run into a lot more scheduling issues, as the weather doesn't look very good for Sunday and Monday down in Boca Chica, and they can't do launches later in the week due to Thanksgiving, and they won't close the main highway during Thanksgiving time. So that would move the next launch attempt to, I believe they said, the 27th and 28th, which is the following Monday and Tuesday. So again, guys, if you would possibly love to see me go live and talk about Starship tomorrow morning, I will be going live right here on YouTube at Intraverse Uncharted at 5 a.m. Mountain Time, 6 a.m. Central, to give you my commentaries and coverages of the launch of Starship, or the potential launch of Starship. All the commentaries through the countdown, hopefully to T0, and hopefully to a liftoff of Starship. If I find out anything that changes that, the launch time, any of that kind of stuff, I will post another update video right here on YouTube, as well as onto all of my other social medias. TikTok at Intraverse_Uncharted. Instagram at Intraverse_Uncharted13. Facebook at Intraverse Uncharted. And Twitter at Intraverse Uncharted as well. All right, guys, thank you guys so much, and I can't wait for tomorrow morning. It's going to be a good one. I got energy drinks on tap. It's time to go. Let's light this candle.